Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful tools, data validation. If you work with data and want to prevent mistakes like incorrect entries, this feature will be a game changer. We're going to cover how to use data validation and explain the different types of validation rules with some easy examples. Okay, what is data validation? Data validation in Excel lets you control what can be entered into a cell. You can set rules to allow only certain types of data, like whole numbers, dates, or specific values from a list. This helps keep your data consistent and free of errors. Set up data validation step by step. Let's say you're working with a table of employee information, where you want to ensure that age column contains only valid ages between 18 and 40. First, select the cells where you want to apply the validation. Go to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. This opens the data validation window where we can define the rules. Here, I want to restrict the age column to accept only whole numbers between 18 and 40. Under Allow, select whole number, then choose Between from the drop-down menu and enter 18 and 40 as the minimum and maximum values. You can also add a friendly input message. In the Input Message tab, I'll type Enter an age between 18 and 40 so users know what's expected. To prevent incorrect data, we'll set up an error message. Under the Error Alert tab, choose Stop as the style and type age must be between 18 and 40. This will stop users from entering invalid values. Now press OK. As you can see in the age, you can see the input message. Now let's test it by trying to enter 70. You'll see that Excel gives us an error, reminding us that the age must be between 18 and 40. Let's take a closer look at the different validation options available in Excel's data validation tool. First is Any Value. This is the default setting, meaning there's no restriction. You can enter anything in the cell. Another is Whole Number. This option allows only whole numbers to be entered. You can set conditions like between, not between, equal to, or greater than. Decimal allows both whole numbers and decimal numbers. Next is List. This is one of the most useful options. You can create a drop-down list of specific items for users to choose from. If you're entering department names, you can limit the choices. This ensures consistency. Let's create List drop-down, go to Data Validation, under Data tab, select List under Allow, and select the cell reference as source, or you can type manually by giving comma. Here let's say add IT, Marketing, HR, and Finance. Click OK. Now you can see the drop-down arrow, where you can limit the choices. Next is Date, which restricts input to date values only. You can set ranges like between, before, or after certain dates. And Time, this option ensures only time values can be entered. If you're scheduling shifts, you could restrict the entries to be between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Another is Text Length, which restricts data based on the number of characters in the text. If you need employee IDs to always be exactly 6 characters, you can set the rule to allow only text with 6 characters. And finally, Custom, where you can create your own validation rules using formulas. There you have it. Excel's data validation feature. Try using these rules in your own work and let me know how it helps you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.